My name is Rama Cay. I'm native here from Rama Cay. And I study in Bluefield in the Escuela de Enfermería María Navarre 1 year. And I'm working for MINSA 19 years now, serving my community. In my attention, the most problem is the diarrhea. We have a lot of diarrhea. We have a lot of respiratory problems. We have plenty desnutrition and plenty parasites. With the energy, well, we see that we have one plant in the community, but it's having only 8 hours. And then from the 8 hours right now, we don't got no light. And when any emergency come out, well, we don't got light. So that is the problem with the energy business in the community. Not in the community, but in the Quest here. Here mostly what we need is light for 24 hours. Well, for me, it's an important thing because I will need it more in case of emergency, in attending labor, parto, and make surgery, minor here,
like
yes.
stitches?
Stitching, cut. Yes, and type of emergency, like patient with high pressure. Okay, we have to ingresar them at late hours. If they come late hours, we have to ingresar them to get them in observation until we control them pressure. And first, MINSA used to support with candle, but now since 6 months back, they're not supporting the health center, so we have to use flashlight. Sometimes the patient then buy them candles, so we use candle. So
the patient has to bring them on the
patient
candle.
has to buy them candle now to bring. Yeah,
So
because when you make night shift, you have to write. Okay, each patient have experience,
okay.
so we have to write the history about them problem. Yeah, so it's important for that to be like.